This video covers the general operation and maintenance for your new equipment. Every operator should watch this video before using the machine. Provided with your machine was an operator's manual. If you have not read this document, please pause this video and do so before continuing. This video provides information that is general and not tailored for your specific cleaning application. It does not take into consideration the health and safety risks specific to your application. Due to the many and various cleaning applications, the manufacturer, importer, distributor, or seller of this equipment is not responsible for its performance. So, let's get into it.
Hi, I'm Steve from Alpha Clean and I'm here today to help you make your cleaning job as easy as possible. The machine we're looking at today is the SureVac PRO200 portable carpet extractor. Great little machine. The SureVac Pro comes complete with two 37-litre tanks. The first tank at the front here is your clean tank. That's where your clean water and your carpet cleaning extraction chemical can be put. The rear tank is the 37-litre recovery tank, which is where the dirty water is pulled off the floor and sucked back into this tank for disposal. In the 37-litre recovery tank, we have this float ball shutoff with the ping pong ball system that floats up. As you'll be aware, carpet cleaning chemical can cause a lot of foam, so we have to make sure this filter is always free of lint and in position to save any damage to your vacuum motors. As you'll know, if vacuum motors are damaged by moisture, they're not covered by warranty. The SureVac Pro has a 200 psi pressure pump in it, but it's fully variable between 50 and 200 psi. This is for not over-wetting your upholstery or over-wetting lighter fabrics such as curtains if you're going to also extract them. Inside the tank, you'll find when on delivery we have a priming hose. If you find you get an airlock in your 200 psi pump, you very simply fit this to there, and by using your vacuum, you prime your pump up. The vacuum will suck the water through the 200 psi pump, priming it. But if you run it dry, you may have the potential to get an airlock. The priming hose can also be used to empty your fresh water tank. Should you be transporting the SureVac PRO200 on its back in the back of your van, it's highly recommended that you drain all water out of it before you lay it down. Down here we have the pressure gauge that gives us an indication of what pressure we're running our pump at, and you have complete control over it through this adjustment knob here. Also on the front we have mounted our dump hose. This is for ease of dumping. If you're in a tight facility and you need to dump into a toilet bowl or a drain, it makes it very simple. Unclip, take the cap off and dump your dirty water wherever you need to dump it. Make sure when you're refitting this cap to the hose that you're very aware of the seal, because this will affect your vacuum to the floor and stop you pulling the dirt out of the surface you're trying to clean. On another note, it clips onto the hose here on the front of the tank and not onto the rubber grommet, because that could cause some damage. So simply clip it in there, out of the way, and you're ready to go again. With the SureVac PRO200, it's got a unique clamshell design that gives you easy access to the internal workings for maintenance, service, and also for checking the coarse water filter. It's simply by removing these two screws at the front and lifting the head back, the machine clamshell's open. As you'll see here, we have our coarse water filter, which can quite easily be removed for service and cleaning and replaced. There is a rubber O-ring in there that you have to be aware of, so make sure when you're tightening it all the way. So should you find you're not getting water out of your SureVac PRO200, there's three main areas to check. 1, make sure you have water in the clean tank. 2, make sure you've checked your filter, the water is getting through to the pump. Make sure you, as shown before, you've primed the pump to make sure water coming through. And the last place you would check would be on your dual jet wand. You would check that your jets aren't blocked. Quite simply by removing them and looking straight down them, you'll get a visual to see if they are actually checked, and then they can be rinsed out with warm soapy water. Should you find problems with the vacuum system on the SureVac PRO200 and ultimately the recovery of the dirty water out of your carpeted surface, the three main things that will affect that are: 1, recovery water tank filter. This has a tendency to be covered in lint. It will affect your vacuum and you will get a poor performance out of your machine. The second area we need to look at is the recovery tank seal from the lid. It's very important that this lid is done up tightly, to maintain the seal, to make sure you're recovering as much dirt from the floor. The third area that we look at is our dump hose, which is ultimately part of our vacuum tank system. And this lid needs to be considered carefully to make sure it's well seated home and maintain ultimate vacuum. The control system for the SureVac PRO200 is mounted here just above your clean tank. And as you'll see, we've got dual vacuum switches. So you can run this machine with single vacuum, should you be doing a lighter upholstery or curtain type surface. If you're doing carpet, it's recommended that you run both vacuum motors at the same time to recover as much water out of that surface and give you a quicker drying time. Your pump switch is located here, and as you'll notice, there is an option for a heater switch here. That's not an option with this model. SureVac PRO200 comes with a 6-metre hose set, a solution hose and a vacuum recovery hose. The solution hose plugs in down here. The vacuum recovery hose is fitted to the top of the machine here. The wand end is connected the same as the machine end by fitting your solution plug to there and your vacuum hose. Once you have your hoses connected to the dual jet wand, your operation is simply water on and your handle. Now your handle should be always adjusted to make sure you maintain good posture and a good straight back while you're doing your job. So once you're ready and your machine's full of clean water and you're ready to go, it's simply a matter of turning your switches on, pulling your handle to dispense water, and then pulling it back in that direction, and now you're cleaning carpet. As you will see, the SureVac Pro is a unique, compact machine designed for small areas, hard to get at places, very manoeuvrable, very easy to use and very easy to maintain. Should you want to learn more, please contact us at Alpha Clean. Thank you.
Thank you for your time, and we hope this video has been helpful. Remember that regular maintenance of your machine is recommended to optimize its life cycle.